Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into Faraday Future, a company that's been making headlines recently. We'll break down the latest data, analyze what's driving the stock, and cover everything you need to know. Before we start, please hit that thumbs up button to support the channel. Now, let's get into it. Faraday Future saw an uptick of 4.13%, with the stock price hitting a high of 44 cents and a low of 40 cents. When we look at the technical details, these numbers will make more sense. It's worth noting that today's trading volume is relatively low, with only 42.7 million shares traded compared to an average of 155 million. Institutional interest seems lukewarm, with only a couple of large transactions over $100,000 on the secondary market recently. A significant portion of today's trading appears to be driven by algorithmic trading and shorting, rather than traditional buying. This is not ideal but reflects the current market dynamics influenced by recent data and anticipated interest rate cuts. Wall Street is currently expecting 2 rate cuts, one on September 18th, with an 88.1% chance of a 25 basis point reduction, and another on November 7th, with a 53.5% likelihood of an additional 25 basis point cut. These anticipated cuts are generally favorable for the electric vehicle EV sector, which is highly sensitive to interest rates. The broader EV market is reacting positively to these developments. For example, Tesla is up nearly 4%, Lucid has surged 23.8%, Rivian has increased by 11%, and Polestar has also seen gains. Faraday Future is benefiting from this trend, although not as significantly due to uncertainties surrounding its operations and the upcoming shareholder meeting. Concerns about the potential reverse stock split are also weighing on the stock. I aim to present the facts objectively. I am neutral on the reverse stock split, but understand both sides of the argument. A reverse stock split can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can help maintain the stock listing and signal confidence if the management is trusted. On the other hand, Faraday's history of 2 reverse stock splits, one for 80 shares on August 28, 2023, and another for 3 shares on March 1, 2024 makes investors wary. Despite earlier predictions that another reverse split was necessary, opinions remain divided. As we approach the shareholder meeting, there's a lot to consider. The ongoing uncertainty partly explains why Faraday isn't reaching double-digit highs. However, the stock shows potential for a breakout, as indicated by recent technical patterns. Yesterday, a non-English video with subtitles provided some insights, particularly about Faraday's potential pivot to lower-priced vehicles. This could be a strategic move to enhance profitability, leveraging their strong technology. However, the market needs more concrete developments, rather than speculative talk. Short sellers are returning 537,000 shares, and 9.43% of the free float is being shorted, totaling 41.24 million shares. The cost to borrow these shares is slightly lower at 11.25%, with utilization at 64.27%. In terms of options, the dollar value remains low, with $106,000 in calls and $55,000 in puts. As the trading day closes, it's unlikely the stock will push past the 50-cent mark, with 19,000 options at that strike price likely to expire worthless. However, next week options chain shows more optimism around the 50-cent and $1 marks, with significant open interest. If Faraday releases positive news, we could see a gamma squeeze, although this is speculative given the low amounts involved. Currently trading at around 42 cents, the stock needs to break past 44 cents and 50 cents to gain momentum. Market makers will likely prevent it from closing near these levels today or next week. Strong support levels are at 38 cents, 34 cents, and 28 cents. Retail investors are slowly exiting, as evidenced by the trading patterns since the 12th. Faraday needs more capital and buying interest to sustain upward momentum. The broader market rally has helped, but the company requires a catalyst to drive significant gains. Your thoughts on Faraday are welcome in the comments. Let us know if you're buying or selling. Thanks for watching, And remember to like and subscribe for more updates on Faraday and other EV companies. See you in the next video.